What can we do with these fruits and vegetable baskets? Let's make a rack. So first of all, let's stack them up to make sure that they all fit, because not all of these trays are made from the same manufacturer. So I got mine donated to me from a fruit juice shop, and I've been collecting one or two every time until I have this much. So yeah, you can see here, okay, these are aligned properly and we can use them. Alright, we need some cable ties, and these are the black nylon small ones, and what we do is we just bind 2 by 2 of them together, right? So this is a 3-tier, so the third one with the second one and the second one with the first one down there. Make sure you got them tight all around. Okay, this is tight enough and looks firm. Next is just to cut away all the tails. Simple job, and we are done. So let's test it out. So this is for my tools organizer. I can put the stuff all inside this tray. However, I do find out that the tray opening is a little bit small. Let's make another one, and this time this seems to be a firmer wall, so we can cut this part away and we'll have a bigger opening. Okay, be careful on this part, and let's cut it open. Alright, and my fingers survived this cutting action. So, wow, this is a very nice opening. However, now the bottom seems to be a bit flimsy and soft. No worries, we can just use the rib that we just cut open, and we can just cable tie the bottom part of it. Okay, now let's clean up this rib so that we can cable tie down there to provide support. Now this rib is all cleaned up and seems like the length is just perfect for it to be supported. Alright, just cable tie all this up and let's test it out. Yes, see, it's no longer bending down. Okay, let's test it with the rest of the rack. Okay, seems to be working perfectly. Now let's complete the rest of the second tier and the third tier, doing exactly the same thing. Okay, testing it as we go, cable tying them together, and finally the last tier. Alright, and with that we are done with just one multi-tool. Okay, so this is it, both of them in action, my first rack and the second rack, and it helps to organize all my little stuff that I have in my storeroom and save a lot of space. Well, so that's it. That's how you can make very simple space saver using just discarded fruit and vegetable trays. Alright, see you again next time.